Hi, if you want to start learning Korean but don't know where to begin, don't worry. Here are some basic simple steps. First, learn Hangul. Hangul is a Korean alphabet. It's one of the easiest writing system to learn and it's the foundation of everything else. Before anything, spend some time learning how to read and write Hangul. Second, build your vocabulary. After learning Hangul, start memorizing basic words like greeting, numbers, colors, family members, and common verbs. Because if you don't know words, how are you going to make sentences? Right? Third, learn basic grammar. Now that you know some words, it's time to learn how to put them together. Start with beginner grammar, sentence structure, articles, and common verb endings. Fourth, learn everyday phrases. Practice useful expressions like hello, thank you, sorry, how are you, nice to meet you. These are phrases you will use all the time. Fifth, practice every day. Even 10 to 20 minutes a day is enough. Listen to Korean songs, Korean news, and those videos where native people speak. Watch dramas, read simple sentences, and try speaking out loud. Don't worry about making mistakes. That's how we improve. And here is a little note about myself that I'm also a complete beginner. So I'm learning Korean with you guys. I'm not a native speaker or a professional teacher, so I might make mistakes, especially with pronunciations. But that's okay. That's how we learn and we improve. So we will learn together, improve together, and enjoy the journey together. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.